Hi, my name is Mel, and if you're looking for ways to become a millionaire, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the 10 steps that you need to take to make it happen. So whether you're just starting out or are already on your way, watch this video all the way through. Before we truly get started, let me remind you to like and share this video. You might know of someone who needs to watch this. As they say, sharing is caring. Subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell down there so you won't miss out on these great financial tips. Lastly, feel free to share your thoughts and engage in the comment section. We'll also get back to you for questions you may have down there. Alright, let's proceed with the video. What is a millionaire? An individual who increases his net worth to as close to 1 million units as possible is said to be a millionaire. In terms of the status that goes along with it, having $1 million carries a heavier burden. People look up to you and attempt to follow in your footsteps after you hit the $1 million mark. This carries a tremendous amount of weight, so that many people initially think it is an impossible feat to do. For many, becoming a millionaire appears to be a very distant fantasy, yet it is a feasible goal and desire to achieve. If you believe that $1 million is a vast lot of money to pay for a lifetime of frivolous things, your capital will go down in no time. A few lifestyle changes may be sufficient to achieve your goal. How to become a millionaire? It's important to note that becoming a millionaire is not the same as being wealthy before moving on to the crucial advice. People look for solutions and suggestions on how to become rich day after day, but they are unaware of the correct road to take. Because the journey is difficult, many individuals seek shortcuts that are bad in the long run. What is the difference between millionaires and the rich? The distinction between a millionaire and the wealthy is straightforward. I consider one who has earned the millionaire label to be rich because they are skilled at making money. They are going to be rich. If a rich person only exists in the present and does not make and keep money or maintain their riches, they may only maintain their fortune for such a short time. If you don't consistently work on something each day, nothing will last. Here are 10 ways to become a millionaire in 5 years. Number 1, build your career first from the start. The value of education, degree programs, and ongoing learning must always be understood. If you want to accomplish anything but are unsure of how to go about it, one piece of advice that is always effective is to set aside time to complete internships even if they are unpaid. By doing so, you will gain additional knowledge about your field while others are occupied doing nothing. You get to be an expert when you receive fresh knowledge every day. Number 2, learn how to save money. It's a crucial trait or behavior that anyone hoping to become wealthy should adopt. There is no joy in wasting cash continuously and then regretting it. You may make a lot of progress by making little savings every day. It will also turn you into a spendthrift and create a long-term addiction in you. Saving consequently makes you a wise business person, and it's a wonderful concept. Number 3, an investment must be made on time. Making investments for rapid development is a crucial first step on your journey to realizing your ambition of becoming a millionaire. If you understand how to invest once you have mastered savings, you will be well on your way to financial success. However, this is not as simple as it appears. There are many investment possibilities in the marketplace, but each aim, each business, and each concept requires a distinct investment kind. Before proceeding, one must try to learn as much as possible about all investment forms. Number 4, establishing a business is crucial. You need a good, clever, and intelligent business mind to succeed in the world of billionaires. Your work would start with nothing, gradually develop a brand name, form a reliable team, learn to sell products to the market, and eventually yield financial rewards. Because of the specific skill sets required by each firm, it is not a simple undertaking, but it is not impossibly difficult either. Number 5, the right to intellectual property. The significance of generating and establishing intellectual property rights must be understood by everybody who aspires to financial success and personal brand recognition. Everyone who wants to be financially successful and have their name known has to understand the importance of creating and establishing intellectual property rights. Number 6, timely progress evaluation. You must monitor the development of your business if you want to become a billionaire. It is critical to assess production every 90 days. It is preferable to assess the company's success every 3 months because short-term objectives aid in the development of progress. This is also known as recuperation period since you may ponder, imagine, and strategize how to guide your firm in future endeavors during this time. It promotes confidence, which serves as a foundation for creativity, initiative, and strength. Number 7. Environment modification. Setting objectives, making business strategies, and developing routines are all vital, but so is reshaping the surroundings. Establish a workplace atmosphere that inspires employees to do their best. Attempt to engage with your surroundings. A calm working atmosphere always produces significant results. So in order to turn into a millionaire in the future, change the environment as soon as feasible. Number 8. Concentrate on the end outcome. Focusing on outcomes rather than routines and practices is always preferable. Many individuals today have admirable habits, yet they may not always lead to positive outcomes. As a result, it is preferable to always concentrate on how to achieve your goals. Putting your attention on your results might be an excellent strategy since you can change your approach if you aren't getting the outcomes you want. 9. Focus on the who factor. It takes a lot of hard work to become a millionaire. It needs careful consideration. You need to quit considering how a specific task should be completed. Concentrate on who can achieve this. Employ individuals who have the requisite abilities and characteristics to carry out a certain activity. You cannot do anything by yourself. To achieve impressive outcomes, you must assemble a strong team. Use the skills of those who are looking for work by making use of their strengths. Number 10. Think of the future while living in the present. Among the most common errors that business people make nowadays is that they focus on their previous accomplishments instead of their future aspirations. To achieve successful achievements in the future, you must draw on your prior experiences. A millionaire is someone who understands how to develop, evolve, and change through time. Key takeaways are: it is crucial to have a good, clever, and intelligent business mind if you want to become a billionaire. You need to generate and establish intellectual property rights. It is important to focus on outcomes rather than routines and practices. You must assemble a strong team of individuals who have the requisite skills to help you achieve your goals. And a millionaire is someone who knows how to change and evolve. Thanks for watching. Again, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and share this video to those people who you think might need it most. Until next time.